Well, hey team, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about America's #1 residual income system. Residual income, folks, unlike I've ever seen in my life. We are seeing things right now on a daily basis that is just absolutely life-changing. I could not be more excited. We're on the verge of something big that will continue. That is going to continue for the rest, could be for the rest of our lives. American Bill Money is just absolutely on a tear to the upside. I want to invite you to come on the inside. Before we get started, make sure you like this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to this channel. Tap the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Systems of duplication is what we've got. Why are so many people joining American Bill Money and upgrading? And the possibilities of the future. We're talking about people potentially going into five figures per month. Now, as an income disclaimer, I got to give you an income disclaimer. In life, nothing happens until you take action. You do a lot of it. But I want you to, we're going to go through this video quickly. Give me about 10 minutes. I want you to take a look at the YouTube channel here. Some of the things that we've got going on. We've got some great things going on. I just added got involved with another Forex program. I'll talk about it on another video. But when you get a chance, look at this video here. It's residual income, why so many people join American Bill Money and upgrading. Check out that video right there, folks. Whatever you do, check out that video that I did the other day. And you'll understand. Check out the playlist. The playlist will show the opportunities that I'm in. Next year's going to be incredible, folks. And we want to invite you to come on the inside. American Bill Money is a income generating miracle. I've been at working home for about 9-10 years now. I've never seen anything like it. It is a machine, a recruiting machine. All you do is mail a postcard or a flyer. Now, when you join our team, of course, you're going to get a website. You're going to get a company website. I'm not going to show that the regular ABM website, but why are people? You're going to get a website that looks something like this. This is what we call the money order freedom. This is the highest level of participation. Now, if you're watching this video, your goal ultimately is to get here. This is where lives are being changed. Unlimited income potentials are being achieved in record time, folks. We're talking about $1,000 to $2,000 residually for every single referral. Folks, let that sink in. $1,000 to $2,000 residually for every single referral. The company will do all the follow-up, will do all the selling, and this can bring in thousands every single week. Folks, I'm telling you, exciting times are here, and they could be here to stay. They say let the good times roll. We're getting ready to let them roll. Of course, again, as an income disclaimer, if money doesn't fall out the trees, you have to put this stuff to action. But when you plug into these systems, folks, the sky can be the limit. Everybody comes in at the $50 starter subscription. Everybody starts there. You get your marketing kit, and the marketing kit is going to show you the other levels of participation. And what we're finding, a high percentage of people are taking advantage of these higher levels. You get in, and folks, you can make an informed decision. The exciting things of why people are joining and upgrading, we have a conference call. We have a conference call when you join our team, and we provide you with a cover letter. A conference call cover letter. Leaders, team leaders, I would love for y'all to be on the call every single week that you can. And any of your leaders want to help with the call, do the call, have ideas for the call, bring them to our immediate attention. But when you join our team, we're going to give you a cover letter, and this all happens on autopilot. When you recruit people, I'm going to show you how this works. We do this for you as a benefit. It's totally optional to mail this cover letter along with your American Bill Money flyer. It is totally optional, not required, but we do recommend it. It is your solution to life-changing income. This is go along with your ABM flyer. Receive a never-ending flood. The results are incredible. Never-ending flood of income. This unlimited income system works fantastic. One of the most powerful programs I have ever seen. It has a powerful, fast-moving pay plan with bonuses. Again, this flyer here says this is the fastest way to unlimited income over and over again. Anyone can do this program. It's extremely lucrative. This is the solution: a one-page flyer or mail postcards. You can also promote it online. Folks, this is incredible. This income works fast. It's absolutely fantastic. Here is the call information. And what we've done, we've added the conference call video to the cover letter, abmdreamteam.com. The system will follow up 100% on autopilot, and this is the new cover letter, folks. That's what it's going to look like. The only thing we've done, we've added www.abmdreamteam.com. When people get the cover letter, they are going to go to this website. It's going to look like this. It's going to take them to this video. I'm going to play this video. You can't hear it real good, but I'm going to play the video so that you can see what it looks like. And I'll put the link below the video. It is, again, let me go back to it, www.abmdreamteam.com, www.abmdreamteam.com. Let me play the video, and we'll see how it sounds. Sorry, it's not but so loud, guys. I'll put it below the video. You can play it, and then you can hear how good it sounds. So, friends, we've got an incredible video again. And then when people come to conference call, if they want a cover letter, just like the one they received from you, here's the instructions. If they want to get a conference call cover letter, they can send us an email only after they have joined ABM. They must provide their sponsor, whoever their sponsor, let us know who their sponsor is. And we must have their ID number. That's after they have joined. And under the video it says, go to the website and sign up with whoever referred you or mailed you the postcard or flyer with your sponsor's information on it. So that's what the Dream Team video refers people back to whomever sent them the postcard, whoever sent them the video, whoever sent them whatever, however they got the information, a post-it note. They are to get with that person's website, sign up, and get to rolling. We'll repeat this on the conference calls, folks. So we got some powerful, powerful things that we are working on for the Dream Team. That's why so many people are joining and they're upgrading in American Bill Money. We've got an income generating miracle. Again, let me stop the video here. Again, this here is really where you want to be ultimately on money order freedom. While we're starting here with the basic American Bill money, up to $2,000 per referral with upgrades, that's per year. And folks, it's incredible. And you get started for $50. So you're going to be able to mail that cover letter along with these new flyers with the new text to feature. We have the new post-it notes. We have on updated postcards. We've got the new text to information on there, new drop card. Folks, it is go time. And we want to see you successful. All you do is plug in, mail flyers and postcards. That's all you do. Again, our cover letter is totally optional.